Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with Marinemax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you an awesome new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 Premier 230 Solaris. This is a really cool boat with a ton of great features. Starting on the back, we have a Mercury 250 that's going to be optioned on this boat with our ski tow bar as well. That's going to push this boat really quickly across the water, as well as the PTX technology on those pontoons. Makes these things fly on the water. It really makes a difference out there. As we step into the boat, you can see we option this with our lounger setup. So these seat backs will actually fold forward and backward and can lay all the way flat as well, so you guys can be lounging facing this way or the back of the boat, whatever you guys want to do. And there are cup holders all over this boat. You're never going to be looking for a spot to put your drink. As we step forward, you can see we option this with the dual helm chairs. This is really nice for your passenger. Feel like they're a part of the driving experience whenever you guys are out there on the water. On the helm, Premier's done a really good job. They have raised helms as standard, so you're going to be able to see over those people on your boat. And then you have your Simrad, which is going to be your chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything that you need. JL audio throughout with the connectivity as well. Wireless charger, RGB lighting, and digital throttle is in shift as well. It's an awesome boat that's been really well set up for whoever's going to be driving. As we step forward, you can see we've got in-floor storage for your boards or your skis, whatever it may be, as well as a locking little locker right there. And then we have our loungers set up here. These are going to have storage underneath all of these. It's got recessed cup holders, and you can see the RGB lighting is down here, as well as an awesome feature, the wireless chargers that are going to be right below your feet. Everybody's always looking for a charge when you're out there on the water, so it's nice whenever you can put your phone down there. Again, this is a 2023 Premier 230 Solaris here at Marinemax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.